Okay, I made another spreadsheet. This one is separate from the first one, and I got to thinking it might be helpful to see how much you need to send in estimated taxes to the IRS. So this here is just a screenshot I took from Google's AI, and as you can see, just a general self-employed person is going to pay 15.3% plus regular personal income tax, while a C Corp pays a flat tax rate of 21. So this 15.3 plus your personal income tax could be higher. This is probably in a situation if you're, have a W-2 type job that's paying you and then you are working part-time or weekends. That's my assumption. I could be wrong. So you would want to talk to Melanie or whoever your tax professional is. Corporate tax rate for C Corps is just a flat 21%. And if you go over here and look at the formula up here, right here, you can see in the formula bar, the formula is multiplying the number in the income column times 0.21, which makes 21%. So for that 60 bucks that you theoretically earned back in December, the tax due out of that is $12.60. And if you need to change that, you can simply, if you need to change that tax rate, you can go to the top row here, just go to the very top row, click in there, and then change that to 153, for example. Hit enter, and it will cascade down. There, you see that. I'm just going to undo that and make it back to 21. The formula is written so that if the income field is blank, then it will not put a result there. So that's the if statement. If income column has nothing, which is what the two quotes close together means. Alright, so now let's go look at the summary tab. So this will summarize and I'm always going to hit refresh, go to the data ribbon and always hit refresh when you come over here. I don't know if there's a setting to automatically do that when going to the summary tab. Okay, so you can see here for January you earned a total of $425, and your tax at 21% that you need to send in for estimated taxes is $89.25. And if we hit that plus sign, we can spread that out and see the itemized list there. So just back over here, another note, so if you think about it, 12 bucks out of 60, that's a fair chunk. And I know you already know why it's important to save your receipts for your expenses, but of course those expenses at the end of the year when you do your taxes are going to help you get a little tax refund and offset that. So I think that's all I got. I will send you both spreadsheets, the one with the IRS and the one without. And if you decide you don't need the expense column, it's there in both of them, but you can always right click up here on the very top column header here. In this case it's column C, so you want to click on that C, right click there, and then just hit delete, and that will make it go away. We can come over here to the data column, hit refresh, and the expenses are gone. We can undo that, and there we go. All right, I think that's all I got.